The Prophet ﷺ said, after every 100 years, Allah will send somebody to revive the ummah. Reviving means it was asleep, He'll wake it up. He's going to remind the Muslims of something they have forgotten. After every 100 years, somebody's going to come. Our Shaykh said, you all know this hadith. So he said, what's the question that everybody has on his or her minds? Who's the reviver of our times? The Shaykh said, that's your mistake. You've already accepted that someone else will get to the top. Why can't you make dua to Allah? Oh Allah, make me that reviver who's going to come at the end of every 100 years. Guess what? When you made that your goal and you spent your life doing your best to benefit the ummah, by the time you die, you would have gone so high, as the saying goes, aim for the stars, even if you get to the moon. Yani mashallah, you've made it. Set the highest goal that you can imagine, that you can possibly even want, and then strive to achieve it.